What is up, guys? Welcome to the first video on my channel. Today I'm actually going to be unboxing the Fred's Parts Decklid, and I'm actually going to be installing on my Mustang, 2013 Mustang GT, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that and everything. It will remove the big wart on the back of it, and first of all, I really want to thank Fred's Parts for sending me this so I can make this video for you guys. If you would, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. If you guys show enough support, I'm actually going to keep making videos every time I do a modification of my car. So if you guys do enjoy this, be sure to leave a like. So I want to go ahead and pop it open here. And the first thing laying on top, we got the little foil pieces for the holes, because underneath the original deck lid there's holes. You won't need those holes for this one, so there's pieces for that to cover that up. Your alcohol to prep it so it'll be sticky. And then after I drop it here, Luke, are you trying to help me unbox this? We have the deck lid. Here, eat this and go play. And I actually got the GT logo with it to install. I'm probably not going to drill into my deck lid. I'm just going to use the tape and break the little tabs off the back, just in case I want to remove it in the future. That way there's not the holes there. But as you can see, here is the deck lid with the 3M tape already on the back actually, so that's pretty nice. You don't have to worry about trying to stick it on there yourself. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go show you how to get the old deck lid off of your Mustang. Alright guys, I got my trunk open. The first thing you want to do is take these screws here off. They're actually these weird screws. I don't actually have these screwdriver for this, so I used a 4-way and pushed really hard to twist it, and then I'm going to take it on out with some pliers to get those off. As soon as I get those off, I'll show you. You just pull this up and there's clips that you will take a little small knife or something that you can fit in there, push in those clips, and the deck lid will actually just pop off. I'll show you guys that as soon as I get these screws out. Okay, so I just popped all the clips. There's 4 of them on the bottom. There's one right there, and then there's one right here, another one here, and then another one down here at the end. So I've got all 4 of them off the bottom, and now I'm going to try to start doing these top ones here. Ta-da! That is crazy dirty under there. But it's actually, it's not that hard. You can see where all the clips are now. Just pretend it was like that. You got all those clips. You literally just push them. They bend in and it pops off. So now I'm gonna clean this up real quick and I'll be right back. All right guys, next is to do some cutting, which might be some scary part, but you do technically have to cut off this circle here in order to do this. And I actually bought this for just $18 at Walmart, so very cheap. And I'm gonna do a time lapse of me cutting this now. Dremel, I finally got this cut off. It just taken me forever, to be honest, and wiped off. Now I'm going to take some isopropyl alcohol and clean it, and then stick the silver things all over this, and then I'll show you that after I do that. On there, pretty easy. You just stick them on there. The shiny part is the part that stays on. The dull part is the part that peel off. And for my emblem, I'm actually going to go ahead and paint this blue with plastic dip just to match my other badges. You can see my other badges are blue, my front one's blue as well. So I'm gonna do that really quickly, and then I'm gonna go ahead and stick the deck lid on actually, real quick. All right, flat deck lid. There you go. You guys seen the install? I'm probably gonna wait until tomorrow to put the emblem. Oh man, that flipped over and destroyed that. I gotta put this back off. Installed completely. Let's see, it looks pretty nice. I will be putting Instagram pictures on my Instagram. It's 5 Liter Fury, and if you want to see awesome pictures of it, I will be showing you guys. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow because it's starting to get dark now. Once I get the emblem on, it just sticks on there, guys. I will do a cool cinematic video of the back end.